Hey guys, welcome to the free Unreal Engine Marketplace assets for February 2021. Now, this can be used in other engines across the board, and I do have a tutorial to be able to convert it from Unreal Engine to Unity, so you can check that out. I'll leave the links in the description. Be sure to take a look at the rest of the series for all the great assets across Unity, Unreal, and all my great assets on the Unity store. Be sure to come and join me on Discord, have a look at my Patreon if you want to support the channel, and let's get into it. So number one is the Bossy enemy animation pack, which includes a bunch of FPS, slow, strong, and mini boss style boss fight animations with 7 particular attack, 1 staggered, 1 parried, 1 battle entrance, 4 reactions, 4 walks, 1 running, and 1 idle, which is a total of 33 different animations. The next one is the Industrial Area Hangar, which is a set of assets for the creation of locations in open areas, whether it be urban or industrial, with over 138 different meshes and 200 textures, which includes modular houses and hangars, drilling platforms, fuel tanks, containers with different colours, road modules, piles of garbage, concrete blocks, garbage containers, wall brackets, wall heaters, transformers, and a whole bunch of things to be able to create a different industrial style. The next one is the stylized modular character, and it's a modular character which has skeletal and static meshes to create your own basic or custom character, which includes both male and a female version. For the male, it comes with 7 torso, 5 heads, 3 hands, 7 legs, 1 eye set, 7 hair sets. Similarly for the female, and it has 1 demonstration map to show it, and it's all rigged and ready to go. The next one is something called the supermarket, and it is a supermarket environment which contains a whole bunch of texture sizes from 128 to 4K with over 807 different meshes, with over 300 that are unique, with over 291 different textures for PC specifically and console, with all the assets that you can see in here, with it being the car park, all the items that you would see in a supermarket, whether it be trolleys, items of food, shelves, lights, the building, everything. And last but not least is the Winter Forest set, and it's a collection of trees, rocks, grass, stumps, and twigs and branches in a winter frosted style. And it comes with 1 grass mesh, 3 piles of snow, 3 fallen branches, 2 smaller twigs, 7 rock meshes, 6 tree meshes, and more, featuring up to 4K resolution textures with 30 different meshes, 77 textures, with high quality stuff included in this. So remember, these are all the fantastic assets for free for Unreal Engine. You can check out my tutorial if you want to be able to export from Unreal Engine to Unity, and be sure to check out all the rest of the fantastic free assets. And be sure these are only available for this month, so be sure to check them out now. And don't forget to support me on Patreon, come and join me on Discord, and thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.